Hey everybody, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to do some Baconators, my version. Ground chuck, I just ground it up, salt and pepper to season it. You guys add whatever you want in there to season it. And we got some nice fresh bacon. Everything over here for meat was purchased at the Happy Mango. You guys know where it is, Barrie, Ontario. Go check him out. See Darren, tell him I sent you in. He's going to look after you guys. Let me get you guys down here. We'll see how we're going to prepare this. Yeah, let's start off by forming our patties here. Take some ground chuck, or ground beef, or whatever meat of your choice you're using. Like I said, we're going to make some copycat Baconators here. I don't know how much that is. I'm not weighing it. Just going to form it up now into a Wendy's patty, somewhat. We all know Wendy's has square patties, so that's what we're going to do. Form it up into a square patty. Just like this. Work it around, square them off. So that's step one. Just make square patties for the burgers. You could do round too if you wanted to, but if you want it to look like a Wendy's burger, that's what you're going to need to do. There we go. I'd say that's done. I'm not going to bore you guys by showing you all these. I'm going to get all the patties done off camera. I just wanted to show you one so you see how I'm doing it. Next, what I'm going to do, show you guys what we're going to do with the bacon here. We're going to take our bacon, just like so. And we're going to crinkle them up a little bit. Just like this. Get in my hand. And put it on a stick here. There we go. Now we're going to have some nice crinkled bacon for our Baconator. So I'm going to get all these done with the bacon and all the patties done. We'll pick back up and we're going to fire up one of the grills. Not sure which one I'm going to use yet. So I've decided to go with the Summit for this cook today. Charcoal's already lit. There we go. Just like so. We got that done. I'm just going to spread it out on the one side. Charcoal over here. For the most part, all on the one side. So we have an indirect zone in case we need it. Got a drip pan here, going down inside. Good enough. I know it's not a brand new clean one. It's okay, it's still going to do the same purpose. Put our cooking grate on. Vents are wide open right now. I'm just going to close the lid and let that heat up a bit. Our Summit's come up to temp. We're going to go ahead and get this bacon on first. I've got 6 strips of bacon on each skewer, except for one. One only has 3. We're going to get these guys going first, over here. And we'll put the one with the 3 closest to the fire there. Close our lid down. Let's let that go. Once that's pretty much done, we'll pull it off, and then we'll get ready for the burgers. So we're coming up on 20 minutes now. Here's what our bacon's looking like. Right there. That's done for my liking that I'm looking for. So I'm going to get this pulled off. And we'll pick back up. Okay, it's burger time. Our grill is smoking hot. Get our parchment paper off here. Right to the side there. Grab our patties that we just made. Got our square patties. One there. One right in the middle. One right down there. I'm just going to do 3 for now. Close that lid up. Let those guys cook. We've been a couple minutes now since we put these on. Let's get these flipped over. There we go. Close the lid. Let them cook a little bit longer. Probably let them go 2 minutes. Then we're gonna put them directly over the flame, get a little flame kiss on them, and add cheese. A couple minutes have passed since we flipped. Let's go ahead, flip them directly over our coals. Our direct zone right here, just like this. We're gonna get a nice little sear on them. I'm gonna finish searing these up, and then we'll throw some cheese on them. There we are, we're nicely seared. Throw them off here. Back to the indirect side. Now we're gonna take our cheese, put our cheese on them. There we are. Oh, here goes nothing. They're all done. Let's go ahead. Let's get this patty over here onto this bun with that cheese. That cheese will melt underneath. Let's get this other guy without any cheese right on top over here, just like so. Check that out. Put that guy off to the side. Now let's take our bacon that we made earlier and put our 6 slices of bacon on, just like Wendy's has on their Baconator. 6 slices. That's exactly what we're going on with here. Our bacon's not as crinkly as theirs, but it's okay. You guys know what we're doing. We're working in our own backyard, making our own. Are we? Another piece of bacon here, just like so. Get us another piece right there. And there we go. Now we're gonna top it off. Nope, get on there. With our top of our bun, with ketchup and mayo, just like they do. On we go. And bada bing, bada boom. There's a Baconator. Look at that, oozing out our cheese. Just the way you get dirty when you buy one and you eat one. How you guys like that? I don't even want to slice it open, but I will. We'll give it a slice and a half for you guys to see. There we are. Look at that. Nicely done. I don't feel like scalding my mouth right now, so I'm not going to be biting one on camera. But you guys see, it's easy to do. You guys can do it too in your own backyard. Don't spend the extra money going to Wendy's. You can recreate your own. If you guys like this one, you want to see more, hit the subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.